welcome you in this launching of tourism in the Free State. You are aware that September is the tourism month. So we have invited you to come and help us to showcase the country, what we have, to help us to showcase the world out there, what we have as the Free State. This month, throughout, there's going to be so many activities. I mean, September month, there's going to be so many activities that we are going to enjoy, and we are going to expose some of the jewels that we have as unique products of tourism in the Free State. Thanks very much.